Everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add AliExpress reviews for your site in Squarespace. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of those widgets is AliExpress review. Let's sign up for free. Just sign up with Facebook or Google, it's really up to you. And when you will have it, just click login. Here, you're going to have applications and you can explore it and just write here AliExpress. When you will have it, you can see it here, AliExpress reviews. Let's create the widget. And now you can just apply your AliExpress URL of the item. You can change the layout to go like grid, even, or list, review, style, really playing around it. And you can also change the languages. So now when we have it, let's click save. Now you'll have a code, but before that you need to choose a plan. You can choose between Pro, Enterprise, Basic and Lite. I recommend going with the Pro or Basic. And when you will be like happy with it, just choose it for $5 a month. If you're starting out only, go with the $0 a month Lite plan. So let's copy the code. Let's add code here, code. And voila, it's going to show just in a second and it's perfect. You can also choose how many reviews you're gonna see. But of course, guys, I recommend going also with all applications. Just check all the apps here on Placeit if you like some, etc. So yeah, thank you everybody very much for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.